Oh, Lindbergh, baby. You're gonna be staying home with your stepfather tonight.
Huh?
While your mama goes to Bible study.
Mom!
Chet, honey, you don't mind taking care of Lindbergh, do you?
Why, I'd love to bond with the boy, darling.
Good, 'cause I'll be home late. See ya.
I'm not so bad, kid. Tell you what, I'm gonna take you out on the town tonight.
Really?
Yeah, come on.
Wow, where are we going? Football game, a baseball game? Where are we going?
Well, it's not really like that, kid. Tell you what, get on your knees. I gotta make you look a little older first. This'll do just great. Something's just not right. I got an idea. Come on, son. I'm gonna show you something you're never gonna forget.
Hold on there, Buck. This ain't no kiddie show.
Why, I think you got us all wrong. Admiral Franklin here, why, he's 100 years old. Says so right on his ID, see?
Welcome aboard, matey.
Hey, Lindbergh, don't tell your mother about this place. She just wouldn't understand. After you, Tiger.
Right here.
Come on over here.
Can I get you boys a drink?
2 Honolulu hard-ons, honey, and step on it. Here you go, Admiral. Well, here's to family. Boy, that really went to your head. I'll get you a refill.
Father Jackson, what are you doing here?
Oh, Lindbergh, I was just taking down names of the sinners. Lindbergh, don't tell your mother you saw me here. She just wouldn't understand.
Ah, there you are, Lindbergh. Been looking for you. Hanging out with this mongrel again, huh, boy? Listen, boys, I got a little bit of a situation cooking up over here. You might want to come along too, Pops. Okay, let's cut the crap. Couple Long Islands for me and the boys, baby. How about another cocktail, Admiral?
Actually, I think it's way past my bedtime.
Nonsense, boy. Drink up.
Oh, yes.
Mom, what are you doing here?
Don't tell Dad or Father Jackson you saw me here. They just wouldn't understand.